Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my intro video for the Gorjus Girl collab that's being hosted here on the YT by Poetspice. She hosted it last year and she's hosted it again this year. Excuse me, but this year she's also adding the Pure Innocence. If you have that as well, you can add it. So we will be posting for the Gorjus Girl today. It's just our intro video to let you know that to look for our videos that's coming up, kind of show you our stash and things like that. So we'll be doing different themes each month. So this is a theme-based one, but we're kind of open with that theme, how we want to express it. So you can make any kind of project with, you know, the stamp, but they wanted to kind of go along with the theme. And in this collab, you're going to have Poetspice, Heavenly Images, Sam Mcgowan, Angela Velazquez, Stephanie Petterson, stmpgrl, Gracie 21, and myself. And actually, I'm not sure if Gracie's going to actually be in it. I know she's taking a break for the moment, but she might be joining us later. But anyway, so I'm just going to show you real quickly what I have. I don't have a big collection. I don't have any Pure Innocence. I had some printed, but I don't have any like stamps. I just had some printed images when I was learning how to, excuse me, practice in color, I think. But I think I colored them all. Anyway, so what I have two large ones. These are the first ones that I got. And I don't have the name on them, but you'll recognize it. This one right here. And I just show you what it looks like stand out. It's her right here. And these are the other stamps that go along with it that's in here. So she's larger than the other ones that I have. And that's her. And then this one is Simply Gorgeous. And this one says On Top of the World. It's got a little washi tape piece right there. And this is just quick stamping, just so I can get a rough idea of what the images look like. They don't have to be accurate, like perfectly stamped. I just had that in there for my reference base. So those were my two large ones. These I got from Perry Ann Arson Things off of Etsy, and I know I paid less than $2. I think I paid $1.80 for these. I haven't used them yet. I got them a couple of months ago. I guess maybe like 5-6 months ago now from them, and because it was in the summer, but I haven't used them, so that's perfect. So this one, that's why I'm doing this collab, so I can make myself use them. This is number 16, Puddle of Love. This light is in the way. And this glare, sorry. This one is called, it's number 35, The Friendly Hedgehog. And this one, and these also includes a collectible character card. Number 45, Fly Away With Me. And I don't know what the collectible card looks like. Let me just peek in here real quick because they've never been opened before. Oh, okay, so it's just a little stamped image of the same image, which can be used in a project. And I may order some papers or something for this collab. I'll see. Try to use up what I got, but I may get some paper. Anyway, alright, any way to close it? Anyway, the next one is, let's see, this is number 41, Little Fishes. Sorry about that glare. And then last but not least is number 2, New Heights. If you can even see it, she's standing on top of some books. So that's basically all I have. I have a huge collection like I did with the Prima Dolls when I did the Prima Doll collab. I had a ton of those, but I don't have a big collection of this one. But again, this is, you want to do a VR, play along with us, you can do that. We will be posting for Gorgeous Girls, it's going to be every second Thursday of the month. And by 5 p.m. So they will be posted up. So you can go through the list, and I will keep everybody's name in the description bar below so that you can just click to the next person and see everybody. Hopefully you'll like and subscribe to everybody's channel. And I'm sure some people will be doing giveaways and things like that. So anyway, it'll be a year-long collab, so it'll go from January to December. So check us out in 2 more weeks. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and hopefully you'll play along. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.